In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Instagram customer service, a topic that many Instagram users find a bit challenging due to the limited direct support options available. Let's dive in and explore the best approach to get the help you need. First, it's important to set the right expectations about contacting Instagram. Unlike many other services, Instagram does not guarantee a response when you try to reach them via email or phone. In fact, many users have reported receiving little to no follow-up. Additionally, be very cautious if you come across any phone numbers claiming to offer Instagram support, as these are often scams. Instagram does not operate customer service through phone or direct email. Instead, what Instagram emphasizes is that users access their extensive help center. This resource is designed to address frequently asked questions and common problems. It's your go-to place for finding help related to account management, privacy issues, and other questions. So let's begin the process by going to Instagram.com. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a small text link marked Help. Alternatively, you can directly type Instagram Help Center into your favorite search engine, which will also lead you to the right page. When you arrive at the Help Center, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can input specific questions or issues you're experiencing. For example, if you're having trouble logging into your account, you can simply type "can't log in" into the search bar. The Help Center will then present you with various articles and troubleshooting steps designed to help you regain access. In the event that your question is not fully addressed in the general FAQ section, or if it's more specific, like relating to security concerns or privacy settings, there's a dedicated section for these as well. You can easily find the privacy, security, and reporting section, which offers detailed guidance on safeguarding your account and handling any security-related issues. Remember, using the search function effectively is key. It helps you find the most relevant information to your problem. Sometimes the solution is just a few clicks away, provided you know where to look. If after all these steps you still can't find a solution, it might mean that the query you have requires a different approach or ongoing monitoring of related issues as Instagram continues to update its services. In such cases, staying informed through their official social media channels for any announcements or updates can also be a beneficial additional step. This concludes our guide on how to navigate Instagram's customer service options effectively. Though it may take a bit of patience, these steps should put you on the right path to finding the help you need efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide provided the clarity you were looking for.